Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Hema Yadav from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Fill in the blank boxes. Children, here boxes are blanks. You have to fill these blank boxes. What is the question? Number is written here 263. Here you have to tell the place value and face value of this digit. This is 6. It is at tens place. So the place value of 6 is 6 tens means 60. So we will write 60 and the face value number will be as it is. The number we will write same as it is given here. It is 6. So we will write 6 at the face value. See one more example. 928. Here we have to tell the place value and face value of this 9. This is at hundreds place. So we will write at hundreds place 900. 900 means 900 and the face value of 9 is as it is 9. I hope you have understood. Let's see one more example on the board. Suppose I am telling the place value of this, place value of 7. It is at tens place. So we will write place value of 7 is 70 and the face value of 7 is 7 as it is. I hope you have understood. The face value number will be the same. Rest of the questions you can do yourself. Now write in expanded form. Here number is given in short form. So you have to write this number in expanded form. Expanded form means bigger form. So what we are reading this number according to their places, we have to write the place value of each digit. Here 7 is at hundreds place. So we will write 700 for this 7. This is 700 plus 9 is at tens place. So we will write 9090 for 9 tens. This is 90 and 2 is at ones place. So we will write 2 as it is. I hope you have understood. Now the rest of the questions you can do yourself. Question number 13. Write the short form. Here number is given in expanded form and you have to write the short form of these numbers. Here you have to write the face value of the given numbers. Here 4 you have to write as it is, 1 at tens place and 9 is at ones place. I hope you have understood. Let's see one more example. 2 is at 100 place. So we will write 2 is at hundreds place. Here again 2 at tens place. So we will write 2 at tens place and 2 again is at ones place. So we will write 2 at ones place. This is the short form of this expanded form. Now look at the question number 14. Fill in the blank boxes. Here boxes are blank. You have to fill. You have to write the expanded short form according to the boxes. Here you have to write 600 like 600. 2 tens means 2020 and 5 ones means 5. The number will become 625. The rest of the questions you can do yourself. Write the smallest number. Children, you have to find out the smallest number in all these given numbers. Question number A. Numbers are given 242, 369, 179 and 745. So you have to compare the digits according to their place values. Here 2 is at hundreds place, 3 is at hundreds place, 1 and 7. So which number is smaller in all these? 1 is smaller in all these. So the whole number 179 will be the smaller. I hope you have understood and you can compare the numbers according to their place values. Now circle the greatest number. Here what you have to do? You have to circle the greatest number. Greatest means bigger number. In this also you have you have to compare the digits according to their place value. First of all, we will compare at hundreds place. If the hundreds place is same, then we will compare tens place. If the tens place numbers are same, digits are same, then you will compare at ones place. Let's see one more example on the board. Now we will compare all these numbers and we will find out which number is greater in all these numbers. So we will compare the digits first of all which are at hundreds place. Here 2 is at hundreds place, here 4, here 2 again, here 1. So which number is bigger here? The number which is far from 0, that will be bigger. So this number 479 will be greatest number. I hope you have understood and you can do the rest of the sums yourself. Question number 17. Put the correct sign. Children, these signs are for greater, lesser than or equal to. You have to compare the numbers and you have to put the sign in front of the numbers. Here 457 and 377 number is given. So we will see which number is at hundreds place. Here 4 is at hundreds place and here 3 is. So which number will be bigger? This 457 number will be bigger. So we will put the sign of greater than in front of this. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now write what comes before, after or between. Children, you studied about before, after and between in your previous classes and your previous chapters. So we will discuss these sums here. Here 989 is written. Children, when we write the after number, then we can do one thing. We can add 1 in this number and we can get after number of the given number. So if we will add 1 in this number, then we will get 990. This is the after number of this 989. This is the between number 399. Again, this is the after number of 399 and this is the before number of 401. So you can add 1 in this number, then you will get 400. So what is the between number of 399 and 401? This is 400. I hope you have understood. Let's see one more example of before number. In before number, children, you have to subtract 1 from the given number. Here 734 is given. So you have to subtract 1 from 734. It will be 733. I hope you have understood. The rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now arrange in ascending order. Children, ascending order is just like ordering of numbers. You have to find out first of all the smaller number, then bigger and then biggest. So first of all we have to compare the numbers according to their place value. And one thing more, you know the meaning of ascending. Ascending means smaller to bigger. So first of all we will find out the smaller number here. This number is starting from 3, this is from 2, this is from 4, this is again from 3. So you know 2 is the smaller number here. So we will write the whole number 298 first of all. Then we will compare the remaining numbers. Here 301, 442 and 332. Here two numbers are starting from 3. So we will compare the numbers at their tens place now. Here 0 is at tens place and here 3 is at tens place. So which number will be smaller in both of these? 301 is smaller. So we will write 301 after 298. And after 298, 301. After 301 we will write the number which is starting from 300. So this is 332. And at the last we will write 442. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sums you can do by yourself. Now arrange in descending order. Children, descending means it is just opposite of the ascending order. First of all you have to write the bigger number first, then a smaller. Now again we have to compare the numbers according to their place values. Here 518, 609, 204 and 722. Children, one thing you can see, the number which comes first in the counting, that will be smaller, and the number which comes later in the counting, that will be bigger. So which number comes later in the counting? Here 722. Among all these numbers, 722 comes later. So we will write 722 first of all. Then leave this number and compare the remaining numbers. 609 will come after 722. Then in counting, in these two numbers, 518 comes later. So we will write 518, and at last 204. This is the smaller number. I hope you have understood. Rest of the sums you can do yourself. Now form the greatest and the smallest two-digit number with the digit 1 and 4. Children, here digits are given. These are 1 and 4. What you have to do? You have to form a number using only these two digits, one greatest number and one smaller number. What we have to do for it? We have to use first of all the number, the digit which is bigger. Here 4 is bigger, so we will write 4 at tens place, and the second is 1, and 1 we will write at ones place. The number will become 41. This is the greatest number, and smallest number, this is just opposite of this number. First of all, we have to see which digit is smaller here. 1 is smaller, so we will write 1 at tens place, and 4 is at ones place. Now fill in the blanks. Question number 22. Fill in the blank boxes with digit 2, 6 and 0 to form the greatest and the smallest 3-digit number. Children, here 3 digits are given. These are 2, 6 and 0. Again we have to form one greatest number and one smallest number. So we have to find out the greatest digit among all these 3. This is 6. So we have to start number from 6, then we have to write 2 because this is bigger between these both two digits. So 2, and at last we will write 0. This is the greatest number using these 3 digits. Now smallest number. Children, in smallest number we cannot start the number from 0. So we have to write 0 in between them, and we have to start digit from which one is smaller in these 2. This is 2, so we will write 2 first, then 0 and then 6. I hope you have understood. The next question you can try yourself. I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Now complete this chapter in very good handwriting in your book. Thank you.